Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're a Morissette fan. So now we're gonna get into the Asian Phoenix herself. She just came out with another cover because I have subscribed to her channel. So she came out with a cover of Mariah Carey's song Fly Like a Bird. So this is going to be good because I've never heard this song before. So we know that she can sing. So let's get into it. I can't wait. I'm excited. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm liking this already because this is like the other video she did in black and white. Simple. She looks beautiful. She doesn't have the made up thing on, you know, no makeup, and her hair is back. So beautiful. Now those two guys are Kiko and Adonis. I think I'm pronouncing that right, but sorry guys if I'm not.
I know that there's a place above. Though my heart is struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love, the one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high to let the world break me tonight. I need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home.
Okay, she doesn't look like she's sitting down. She's actually standing up and she's actually moving. She's grooving to the song. She looks so comfortable. She looks so happy and, you know, oh my God. And she's dancing, you know. She looks so good and she sounds so amazing. Okay, let's get back to it.
How can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality? If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, don't let the world break me
So
tonight.
amazing.
I need
There's
the
so much
strength of
personality.
you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. So pray you'll come and carry me home.
Those two guys are good. I don't know which one is which.
I need you right now. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up. With God's love you'll survive.
Beautiful song and her voice. Oh my God, it's amazing. Whistle note. Oh my God. So cute at the end with the smile. So that was beautiful. That was, oh my God. I hope Mariah gets to hear what this girl is doing. singing the way she's singing to her song. She would be so proud of her because she's so damn good. That whistle note was, I think it was on point. But yeah, I haven't listened to the original version of this song. I have to go into the Mariah Carey version. But I'm sure, I mean, she's up to point. She's really up there with Mariah. So, and she's coming out with all this great cover. Oh my gosh, I hope she keeps this up like every week, coming out with new covers. I'm sorry about my dog. Love it. It was insane. I mean, oh my god, it was so good. And those two guys, I don't know which one is which, they were good. They were all synced in with her. You know, they were all three of them. They were really good. The guy with the piano, the guy with the guitar, you know, and they're singing like a background voice. You know, it's like insane. They were all so good. I mean, and she's amazing because she's standing up this time. She's not sitting. You know, normally I see her, she's sitting down, but she's standing up and she's dancing and she's enjoying herself, and she looks so good and she sounds so good. Well, thank you guys for watching, and like I said, I hope she comes out with some more songs because she's so incredible. Thank you, Morissette, for keeping us entertained. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you around again in my next video. So make sure you like, share, you know, subscribe, and then I will see you in my next video. Make sure you stay safe, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.